Good morning, gentle people. So, having built up a stock of flour, oatmeal, oil, eggs, etc., I have been able to bake. And I love baking because it kind of has to be precise. Although you can experiment, and I did. I didn't have quite enough oatmeal to, bake a whole thing. So I just made 2 muffins. And oh boy, that's good. It is still warm, and I'd like to get to it before it stops steaming. As I'm putting it over on top of my little bit of yogurt and half a banana here, and that's going to be breakfast. And that will probably be a snack. And in the oven here, I'm baking sweet potato fries and some eggplant, zucchini, and the one tomato that was still good up here because it's been out for 5 days. So we'll see how that turns out with a little bit of oil and salt and pepper. It should be kind of tasty. I do have the cheese from the new haul, but right now I'm just trying to use up what I had out. So I used up the eggplant. I roasted the other one. I had 3 zucchini left. The cucumbers went bad because I didn't have a refrigerator to put them in that would be left alone. That's not the best. Sorry. That's an idea. This is an idea for the director of a food pantry. And I was going to bring this to him as an idea. Like, you can get him one of these dairy milk or oat dairy milk and coffee and raisins and oatmeal. And, the little Vienna sausages and some crackers. Just for the homeless in the area. At any rate, because he does take care of them. I'll put the recipe down for you for the baked oatmeal. I still have all those tortillas, most of the peanut butter. It's actually about down to here. Half of the chickpeas, because I took half and I cooked them in the mini slow cooker and I roasted some. And I left some unroasted for hummus and maybe a falafel. Because that sounds good. I still have 2 sweet potatoes from the original haul and 1.5 carrots. 5 pieces of bread from Grandma's house. 3 of the whole rye bread from the other food pantry. The macaroni. What do we have left? A pound. Really? No, that's less than a pound. Okay, 14 ounces. And the same amount of rice because I haven't used it at all. Here, I'm gonna fix the measuring thing. I had to fix the scale. I have 6 ounces left of the rice, which looks to be about a cup, but it's not quite a full cup. So that's what I've got going on this morning. Okay, y'all have a good day. Bye.